Hi, I'm Reagan. I'm one of the nurses here.
Nice to meet you. I'm Stephanie.
Nice to meet you. What brings you in today?
Well, I work out on a consistent basis and I eat fairly clean, but I still have a little bit of excess skin and just a little bit of a pooch right here. So I just wanted to come in and see what my options were.
Okay. So we have a great treatment called Exilis Ultra for the body. Great to kind of reduce fat, especially in those stubborn areas. A nice added benefit of this treatment is you get really good skin tightening as well. So
awesome.
Yeah, this treatment we use radiofrequency, which is basically just heat. Okay, so the heat kind of heats up those fat cells and kills them. It does take a series of about 4 to 6 treatments for the area. You come back about every week or so. You do have to make sure you're really hydrated for these treatments as well, for the radiofrequency to heat up those fat cells.
Perfect.
Okay.
Is there any downtime associated with the treatment or?
No, there's no downtime. We do recommend that you continue to drink your water to stay hydrated. So we tell people drink water the day before, the day of, and the day after the treatment.
Awesome. Is my abdomen the only area that would benefit from this treatment, or is there other areas as well?
Yeah, there's actually so many areas. Abdomen's of course very popular. We can do outer thighs, inner thighs. A lot of people do it on their buttocks. You can do it on your upper arms. Really, you can use it anywhere in the body that you're looking to kind of target those stubborn fat areas and tighten the skin.
Awesome.
So,
well, cool. I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get started. We'll lower you down, kind of wrap towels around you, and then we use baby oil to kind of help as a glide for the procedure.
Okay. Sounds
Okay.
good.
All right. And then let me know at any point if it just gets too warm, we'll add more gel. How does it feel, Stephanie?
It feels fine. It's just a little bit warm.
Awesome.
It's comfortable though.
Good, good.
Will it just start to heat up gradually as it goes?
Yeah, so the radiofrequency will kind of evenly spread throughout the tissues.
I'll probably need 4 to 6 treatments.
Correct. So 4 to 6 treatments, and you want to space them out a week apart. And just remember to continue to drink your water throughout today and then tomorrow as well. We do recommend you can do a light cardio or similar exercise, okay?
Am I able to work out the day of the procedure?
Totally, yep. So this device is emitting radiofrequency energy, which is heating up your tissues. Okay, so fat cells are very sensitive, and so they get disturbed by the radiofrequency. It heats them up to the point where they can no longer function, and they go through a process called apoptosis, which is programmed cell death. So when that happens, the cell bursts and it's no longer there, which is what we want with fat cells, right?
Yeah, kill them all.
Yes, so that's why it does take a series of treatments to make sure we get that entire area. And that's kind of why the cardio is important after, to help kind of help the lymphatic system drain all those dead fat cells, okay? Another thing to keep in mind too with this treatment is the added benefit of skin tightening, okay? So whenever we use heat, especially radiofrequency, we are building collagen in the tissues, and so that creates tighter, firmer skin.
So is this something that you can do on your face as well? You mentioned skin tightening.
Yeah, it's actually a great treatment for the face, very popular. So we use the treatment in the face to build collagen as well to tighten skin.
How long is each session for the abdomen?
The abdomen is usually about 15 to 30 minutes. It all kind of depends on how fast we can get you to the appropriate temperature. So of course every person's different depending on, their anatomy and how much extra fat they have that they're trying to kill in that specific region.
So when do you think I'll start to see results from the treatment?
That's a great question. So some people see results after 2 treatments. They'll notice that they look slimmer, they're losing inches, but we do tell people to wait about 30 to 60 days after the last treatment to see full effect, okay? One thing to keep in mind too, I know you said that you eat really healthy and you exercise. That's great. We always make sure to tell people that we will be weighing them and measuring them before the treatments. That way we can make sure that they're staying on track with their goals as far as eating healthy, because if you're not eating healthy, then you can expect to get the best result because you might be gaining weight in the process, right? So it's always good to kind of do this treatment with a healthy diet and then exercise too, if it's okay with you and your doctor.
Okay, sounds good.
So one other thing I wanted to point out, Stephanie, if you start to feel cramping, like if you feel like kind of deeper cramping, let me know, okay?
Okay.
We'll just change the settings a little bit.
Honestly, it feels pretty nice.
Okay, good. All right, Stephanie, so that's it, we're done, okay? So continue to drink your water throughout the day, and then remember to do some kind of light cardio or similar exercise, okay? Any other questions?
No.
Okay, just make sure to book your next appointment in a week on the way out.
Sounds
okay,
good.
all right.